Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Rheem Tankless water heater is giving you trouble like no hot water, fluctuating temperature, or error codes, it can be really frustrating, especially when everything was working fine before. Many users think the unit is failing, but tankless systems are designed with multiple safety and monitoring features, so even a small issue like low water flow, gas supply interruption, or a clogged filter can trigger problems. Because these heaters work on demand, they rely on proper flow and clean components to function correctly. The good part is that most common issues can be diagnosed and fixed quickly with a few simple checks. Try these. 1. Check the power or gas supply is active and stable. 2. Ensure water flow is strong enough. 3. Clean the inlet water filter or screen. 4. Look for error codes on the display panel. 5. Reset the unit by turning it off and back on. 6. Run hot water and check for consistent temperature.